Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see here and the title as well, I have got 3 mystery boxes from Black Swallow, and they are the Jeffree Star Cyber Weekend Black Swallow mystery boxes. So I went online and I saw like a lot of unboxings, which is great. And what I've noticed and what I've also read in the comments is they've said the Black Swallow mystery box is much better than the actual JSC mystery boxes. So what I've done is I bought all 3, and the reason why I bought all 3 is because when I was looking up the mystery boxes, I only saw from the Black Swallow, I only saw the medium one and also the large one. So the medium is called a Supreme, and the bigger one is called a Deluxe Ultra, and the small one is just called a Standard. So I bought all 3 because I have not seen one person unbox a Standard. So what I thought I'll do is I'll buy a Standard one so I can unbox it to show everyone what it's like. And also at the same time, you won't see over here, I've also bought the JSC mystery box, and this one is the Supreme, so it is the biggest one. I'm pretty sure the Supreme in the JSC is the biggest one, so it's the red box. That will be done in another video, and what I'm planning to do here is I'm going to unbox each box, but instead of having a long video, because my editing tool only allows me to edit 30 minutes, it's strange. So I am going to make these videos short, so people that want to look specifically for the Standard, Standard, Deluxe, or the, got it wrong, see guys. But anyway, so these are what we've got here, and what I'll do is I'll unbox the first one. So this is the box that you do not see currently on YouTube that's been unboxed. This is the $100 mystery box by Black Swallow for Jeffree Star, and it contains $200 value worth of products. It comes in a red box, whereas these come in a green and a black, so it comes in a red box. Very cute. I do really like the boxes. It's a Cyber Weekend, so it's not Halloween. I thought I bought Halloween, but it's fine. It's Cyber Weekend, so it's got some question mark, shopping trolley, discount code, stars. It's just a beautiful box, and they did express post this out to me, which I'm very thankful for. So I know I've read some comments saying products aren't getting shipped, but at the moment during COVID they actually have very low staff. I did follow up with them a few times, and I feel so bad because I know they're under the pump. But when I actually rang up and I spoke to a lady, she was really nice, and I told her pretty much that I bought 2 boxes and I bought another one, and the one that I bought last, which is this one, was not express post, whereas the ones that I bought prior express post. So what she did was she pretty much combined both orders together, and 3 of them were actually sent out via express post. And when you do this way, they also try and cater and make sure that each box don't have duplicate items. But if you actually order them on separate orders, there's no way for them to track if you've previously ordered, because they just get the order number. So what I suggest that if you do want to order multiple boxes, order them all at the same time, and they will try their hardest, not guarantee, they will try their hardest not to put duplicates in. So what I'll do is I'll go through this box first. So it actually came nicely wrapped in a big cardboard box, and all the boxes were inside the cardboard box as well, so they were really protected. So I was really happy with that. So in here there's a bubble wrap, and these are the products. And with Jeffree Star products with Black Swallow, what they do is they do give you a list of products that they have included in this box, and they actually tell you the prices for it as well. And the prices are the recommended retail price, not the discounted price, which is fair enough. And my whole mystery box here, I've got $207 worth of value, and they've crossed up each one. This ensures that they don't have any missing products. It just means that someone has physically gone through, which is great. So what I'll do is I'll go through each product and show you what I got, so you can decide for yourself whether or not you want to order a mystery box with them. They don't have the cyber one, they don't have any cyber one left, but they do have the Christmas one, which is it's the same as the cyber one, just it's labeled Christmas. And what they do again, they just randomly select items to put in the box to your value. So again, they have a $100 box, $200 box, and a $300 box, and each box contains double the value that you paid for. So without further ado, I'll go through the items, and I'll go through the list for the standard mystery box. So the first one, which I think some of you might have noticed when I held up the box, it is a Blood Money eyeshadow palette. It is gorgeous. Can you see that? It is amazing. The packaging is amazing. Well, I at the start I thought, what is this? Then I realized, yeah, I actually have to take this away. So I can understand the obsession with Jeffree Star's products now. I don't own any Jeffree Star products, guys. So guarantee I'll probably like majority of the stuff here. So this is a money box. Oh, that's funny. Blood Money. So it smells like nice fake leather, and this is imprinted on, so the quality is definitely there. This is a sticker, but that's fine. The hardware on this is amazing. So to open it, you push it. It's just like one of the LV bags. You push it, then you just open it. Oops, I won't show you the mirror. Let me just hide the mirror actually. So I'll just hide the mirror. The mirror is really nice, but look at the colors. It is a beautiful color. I want to collect all of them. How nice is this color? I'm actually glad I didn't get the blood sugar. Is it blood sugar? Yeah, blood sugar, because I actually ordered that palette separately from the JSC website, which is getting delivered. So I ordered the blood sugar palette and the blood lust palette. So yeah, so I won't get duplicates. So that's one of the boxes. I won't actually test them out because I might gift it, I might not, but I'm sure those of you that actually are looking at the videos probably all are very familiar with his colors and what they look like, but you guys really want to see what people get in the mystery boxes. But do let me know if in the future you want to swap some of the palettes I get, because I got another 4 parcels that I'm waiting from JC. I bought literally every single mirror they've got, nearly every single makeup bag because of the Black Friday sale. So that palette is worth $85. And again, this box is $100, so this palette is like already the price of the box. So now what I'll show you is that I've got this one artistry single eye palette. So this is worth $15. So this and the Blood Money is already $100, the price of the box. And I've got more items to show you as well. So everything else is like a gift or purchase. So the color they did give me is really nice. So this is a cotton candy color. I don't have the magnetic box that people put Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette in, but if I see it stock online, hopefully I get it, or maybe in the Christmas mystery box, which I also ordered, they will put that in. So there you go. Really nice color. So far the eyeshadow palette and the single palette is all wearable colors, which I'm very happy with. So there you go, $100 already. The next thing I will show you is the gloss. So this is the gloss. So this is Blood Money. How big and nice is the box? The box is amazing. So I will take it out. Oh, there we go. Wow, look at that. The design is really nice. So although people freak out because they see green, blue, purple, I think these glosses don't actually come out, don't actually swap the color green. So what I'll do, I'll just try it on for you. It's very nice. So the color is not odd at all. I think as long as you don't make your makeup like green, blue, black, it's very subtle and definitely give you that shine. So I do like it. See, it actually doesn't come green. So it's just very, very faint dash of green in the sun. But yeah, it's wearable. It's definitely wearable in my opinion. So I really like this. So this is the Blood Money color. and this is the gloss. So you'll notice that a lot of the shades are the same in the different variations of the gloss and the lipsticks I have. Obviously in the green I probably won't get the lipstick. Hopefully I don't get any green lipsticks. I do want wearable shades. The only type of lipstick or gloss that I'm okay to get any color in is probably the gloss, because all their colors are very faint and shimmery and you can actually wear them. They just look like lip gloss, but just like a colored kind of lip gloss, which is fine. Yeah, it's a green lip. I like it. I don't think I liked it, but I actually like it. And mind you, I didn't put any makeup on just in case I want to put some stuff on. See? Very natural. And this is worth $28. Then the next thing I want to show you is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This color is in the color Possetia. So that's the color. Shake well before use. So guys, things are stored, so if you shake it, and this is a little bit shimmery as well, which is really nice. I'll show you that color. Can you see that? Very shimmery, very nice. I won't swatch it either, because I'm pretty sure you guys know what it looks like, but that's the color. So it's a very pretty color. I won't wear it on my lips. Okay. We'll wear all the gloss. The gloss should be over the liquid lipstick instead of the opposite way, because I don't want to wear it on. The box is really nice. Next thing I want to show you is the Velvet Trap Lipstick. Packaging, 10 out of 10 again. Open it and it's very like nice, and oh, so cute. And this is the really pretty bullet lipstick, and I heard it's magnetic. Ooh, beautiful. And that's the color, and you can see the stars all around it. So nice. Wearable color. This is a nude red color, kinda. Again, very wearable color. I don't want to spot it just in case I do want to give it to someone again. I'm very sure, again, you guys can look this up on the Jeffree. If you Google Jeffree Star, he actually spots all his lipstick, gloss and everything on his hand, so you can actually look it through there as well. And then last but not least, remember this is a $99 box, and I'm so happy with everything, is the Velvet Lip Liner. So this is a green. It's a Crocodile Tears. I will swap this for you guys. Good. Oh, so pretty. Look how nice this is. Really nice, isn't it? Ooh. Oh, so it's really dark. So it is wearable. At the start I was like, oh my gosh, it's green. How am I gonna wear this? But it's very wearable. So if I just swap, oh wow, it's very smooth. I'm barely touching it and it's already coming out. So good. Don't know when I'll wear this, but maybe one day I will. But I just want to collect it. It's just really nice, the packaging. But yeah, the green's really nice actually. When I was watching the unboxing, when people get these weird colors, I'm like, oh, how am I gonna wear these colors if I get it? But now looking at them, I'm like, oh, actually, I understand why people can wear it. See my lip gloss. It's just blended in. I don't even notice I have green lip gloss. So there you go. So this was $23. So the Velvet Lip Trap was $28. I think I forgot to tell you guys that, $28. So altogether my box is $207 and I pay $100 for it. And at the same time, because I bought these two before this, I had a voucher which they put into my account and I used it, and it was $20 because all this was like, I think every 400 you get $20 roughly. I actually only got this box for $80. So if you've got points, you can use it. So this is a box. I finished unboxing it. I'm very happy with it. Tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me if you're going to plan to get it. So this is the $100 box. So if you don't want to spend too much on it, this box, it is affordable, very affordable. Just remember there's also shipping on top of your parcels. I think there is a $10 off coupon somewhere that they give me, I think, if I refer people, but let me have a look. I'll ask them for a coupon, and if they give it to me, I will put it on my channel. Other than that, this is the box. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Otherwise, if you are interested in looking at these other 2 boxes, click on the next video. So the next one I will be unboxing would be I think this is called the premium from my Marianne. That's deluxe of it. The premium box from, I think I said it right, premium. I'll correct it in the next video if I said it wrong. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.